G'day viewers, of progress on the trailer. It's coming along nicely. Yeah. Had a bit of a change of plan. I was going to reuse that top bit. I thought, well, if I come this far, I might as well just make whole new sides better than that one. So this is going to work out much better. And worthwhile for the money too. And that's how you do it. There's absolutely nowhere for it to rust. I had to retouch up that weld. That's alright. So just weld it all the way around. So it's one piece now. I just touch this up. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind it all and make it look nice and neat. So it looks kind of like it's when it's painted, that is. This will look like it's all one seam, one piece. So that's the idea of it. It's all one piece, and no gaps or rattles that go along. Underneath this thing is going to get a good coating of black paint to seal it, which is a pretty damn good idea. So I'm going to do the same with this one, which is all done. So there's nowhere for it to rust. It's got no excuse to rust. It's a good design. Made some minor repairs of this old trailer. So I'm thinking of turning this one into a generator trailer. This now I'm going to definitely keep as a normal moving around house and moving trailer. Great all around, having a tailgate front and back. Have the things that come up with lights, and the bar will go through here to here. Tyre bar. Got a nice 70mm raised clearance there. Plenty of this definitely be good for holding at least a ton of weight. Nice comfortable grip handle. She's getting heavy, that's for sure. Flipping this over to paint the underneath and do the rest of the welds is going to be a bit of a challenge. It weighs a lot. Anyway, that's going to coming along very nicely. Looking good. Anyway, I've got a little bit of electronic repairs to do. One of my mates got a DVR system that has to be fixed. Classic symptom where you turn the computer on, it comes on briefly and shuts down. This is doing the same symptom. And you can see every one of these green Chinese garbage capacitors have failed. That one there is not, but I'm going to change it anyway. All bad. Heavy caps on. I'm going to take this transistors out here. Bit of a touch of this heatsink as one big chunk. That will come out as one piece. Just going to do sort of 1, 2, 3 components, and that'll all come out as one unit. And that will allow me to get clear access to the capacitors underneath there. It's the easiest way to do it. Rather than undoing the transistors, which you really can't get to the screws anyway. So just take it all out as one assembly. It's the easiest way to do it. Anyway, this is yeah, they're TPO capacitors. I thought they were Captron, but they're TPO. What brand is this power supply? Those screws down there. Enhanced Electronics Co Limited. I was sure it was enhanced in the failure department. Focus Assets, China. Focus on failure, that is. Now I'm going to make it focus on reliability once again with some quality low ESR capacitors in there. It took me 40 minutes. 40 minutes just to get these off. Holy crap. Good thing I'm doing it for a close friend. I've never come across solder that was that hard to remove. I've had to literally keep resoldering, desoldering, resoldering and desoldering to get it to unsolder. At 400 too. On that 400 degree setting. I want a pain in the ass. I've had to use a bit of brute force and I just took that tracer off a little bit, but it's repairable. What a pain in the ass. I've had to use a bit of brute force by sticking a screwdriver between the circuit board and the heatsink and carefully just heating it up and just wedging it bit by bit by bit. I've never had to do that before. Adding solder to get it to remelt, it just wouldn't suck all of the solder out. That ended week. What a nasty nightmare. Anyway, it's one of the most difficult desoldering jobs I've ever done actually. What a nightmare. That's one of the worst desoldering jobs I've ever done. What kind of lead-free solder is that? It's like a tick torch to bloody melt the damn things out. I'll try my best not to damage the board, but let's see how this thing goes. As photonic induction would say, fucking hell. Anyway, let's turn the power on. There's a power button on this thing. Turn this on. Oh, it is on. Aha! It's on. Well, it's working. It's in standby. It's in standby mode, so if I turn this thing on, there's a power button on this thing. Okay, what turns that on? What the hell turns this on? Okay, that power supply. Oh, hang on. Something when that power supply got hot. Nah. Ah. Fail. A lot of flicker of tick. Ah. Maybe a trace must have got broken on a double-sided board. Ah, well. I tried my best. I tried my best. That was the first fail I've ever had. Ah well. Normally my computer power supply repairs go easy, but I don't blame it for not being successful because those capacitors are so bloody hard to get out. Oh my god, I've never come across capacitors and desoldering that hard. Not surprising. Not surprising. Oh well, I have to order a new one. He said he was going to order a new one anyway, so no loss. Mmm, smells tasty. Reckon a transistor or something failed in there. Oh well. No big loss. Okay, viewers, I've made some improvements back down that TV panel. Let's finish it off. I've jumped all the wires and those boards and the connectors to one big row now. Let's see how that does. Nice. Unplug safety first. I'm going to check the wiring. Something's arcing where it shouldn't be. Oh, I checked the mic. That's not even that hot after that, so it's not shorting out. It's just arcing in plasma. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nice. Nice. Unplug safety first, rearrange my wiring. I want more dramatic stuff than that, come on. Rearrange my wiring, let's see how that does. Much. Not much at all, eh? Okay. Alright, change my wiring around. How I had it yesterday. Okay, it's all on a shot. Alright, let's try it now. Oh, the light dimmed. I got a short there. Unplug safety first. Try it again. No, I got a short in there. How can that be? Alright, unplug safety first. Try a completely different combination. Let's try this. See if this works. There we go. That was better. My connections are all burning off the back of the panel. Keep trying, viewers, till this thing dies, off one at a time. Pretty. Oh, pretty. Nice. I'll turn a light on. You might be able to, because sometimes I can't see it on the viewfinder with a camera. I'll unplug safety first. One little safety check. Okay, well, everything seems good so far. No big pops. Disappointed. Oh, these things take time. The mop doesn't seem to be very warm either. I've been checking it. Yeah, it's getting more pixels. Yep, those pixels are dying. Wow. This is genocide of the pixels. Looks pretty cool. Getting there. Again, all credit to Aussie 50. So it's a good memory. May his, as I said, may his epicness and memories live on. So we'll keep his legacy going. Keep the fun going. We'll live on in our creative minds and hearts. Yeah, this is the best screensaver I've ever had. This screensaver, there's a burn-in imprint that would last the life of the TV, even if it's on or off. Power on for the lights of these. You can see those marks on the screen, the burn in there. Mind the glare. It's just going to there, not going past it. So I'm going to unplug safety first. Make a couple of more rearrangements. Let's see if the camera better in position there. More on the bottom I'm going to focus on. Okay, let's try this one. Light off. Nah, it's not doing much, see? I was on to run this thing off the ZVS, try a flyback transformer on this TV, but probably have a similar effect to the NST. I must have made a path and shot inside and shorted directly to ground because the plasma gas is not as behaving as it should. I made a conductive path. Now it's just doing this and not filling the rest of the screen up, and no fireworks in there. Pretty epic. The mod's not very well loaded either, so it's not gonna, let's just say it's gonna last more than 5 minutes. Alright, I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to call it a day, so to speak. Unplug safety first. One last attempt of try this. Let's see if my idea works. Let's try this way. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. And there's New Year's fireworks. Look at this. There we go. Also, pixels burning. Unplug safety first. Just check that smoke's not more hot. Unplug safety first. Move the camera carefully. Ha! That's not even warm. Nothing down there burning. Okay, I just had a good safety check. It's good to be safe. Have fun in a safe way, because there's kind of a lot at stake here if a place does bloody burn down, which I sure as hell don't want. So it's best to be safe. Alright, let's try again. Light off. This is epic. The mop wasn't even warm either, which is good. Those poor pixels. Put them out of their bloody misery after the crap they're broadcasting Australian TV. I'd rather watch this. Man. Oh, that is epic. There we go. Fireworks. Now this should be in an art exhibition, I reckon. So that, I should actually do this and put it in a museum, like an art museum sort of thing, and have it as art, doing this. There's my inverter fan going there, in the background. The shadows are attacking. They're fighting the firework bugs. Something sounds like a radio static there. Light on. You couldn't see a bit of light on. This is epic. Turn the light off. Just want to monitor if there's any smoke. But there isn't, which is good. I think I've got this fine-tuned. Now, putting this against the capacitor bank, my PFC cap bank for example, probably won't do much because inside that is like a neon gas. It's a plasma. It's not actually going to short or be enough to make a bang. So this is the best way to do it. Not much effective. So this is the best high current, high voltage, the best effect you'll get like this. The killer plasma panel. It'd be funny if this actually worked. I put it back together. The picture will look quite funny, but I doubt it. Even if it didn't burn any of the ribbon connectors off. The circuitry would said that the panel is physically damaged and it won't work. Or just shut down. Oh, this is epic. Where's all the reds? I see a lot of green and a bit of blue, but the reds are dead. I've killed the reds. Oh, here we go. Like a bug zapper. Now this is epic. It's actually, I think this has lasted longer than when Aussie 50 did it. It's go all night. The might's not getting warm, which is good. I might put this at the front of the house. It's Christmas with my Christmas lights. Have it doing this all night. That'll look cool, won't it? Come on, look at that bottom left-hand corner there. Come on, you can do it. Wow, Sam Scum know how to make a good panel, even if it is a Chinese-made panel. That's pretty good. This is going to go for ages. I'm going to be here all night. Ten to 9. Taking me almost 10 minutes so far. Although I have stopped at the start of the bit. Alright, light on. Let's do some checks. Unplug safety first. Carefully lift it up there. Hold it as stable as I can. Huh. That's just not even complaining. Oh, there's a crack in the screen here. Oh, we've got a crack. And it still works with a crack in the screen here. Huh. Cracked all down there. Oh, amazing, it still works with a crack in the screen. Some surplus stuff left in there. I wonder if I can find a sealing pip and seal it with a vacuum pump on the fridge compressor. Just vacuum, hold it under the vacuum and see if that does anything. Yeah, see? That crack in the screen must be some sort of a magic sealing crack, because look at it, it's still going. Wow! The screen's cracked and it's still going. This is epic. I think Ed would have been proud of this. Ed would have been proud. That's the main thing. I just wish he was here to see it. The whole screen fills momentarily with a little flash. I don't know how the camera's picking it up, but it's epic either way. Oh well, light on, unplug safety first. Conclusion is, a mott is definitely better for the current. NST didn't do much. You definitely need a mott to do this. The current just needs to be there. Anyway, thanks for watching.